Alright, I hooked it all up together through all this pain. I couldn't show you the beginning. He just asked you to format the hard disk because I had to do the screen settings because I was like totally blind. I had to watch another video on YouTube to understand what's going on. So I had to do the video settings first so it will show it on the screen. Basically nothing much changed. Something says about it when connected about the network. Nothing else, just nothing on the files, anything. My profile is still here. I mean, it didn't ask me to create my profile. Let's see, sign in. Let's try to sign in. Voila! It's fine. My game tag is here. Everything is fine because it's on the Sony PlayStation servers, so you don't have to do anything but much. So there you go. It's all cool. Let's check out how much space I got. Amazing. System. Okay. Are you ready? Oh my god. Well, it's not 320, but it's 298 gigabytes, and free space is 263. So basically 40 gigabytes you just threw away on some shit. I don't know what the hell they doing with it. I hate that, but you know what, that's a lot of freaking space. I don't know if it works faster. Yeah, the speed is faster. It was 5400 RPM. Now it's 7200 now. The other hard drive. I don't know. It probably a little bit faster on loading, like save games or something like that. I mean, didn't really see the difference yet. What else? Let's see. Can't hear anything at all. It's a faster hard drive, supposed to sound noisier and stuff, but I don't hear anything at all. Like, same thing. Absolutely. So yeah, thanks to Demon of Razgrease 89 video, he actually made me do this by myself. I was gonna send it to some guys, but then I'm like, they would do the same thing. They would just destroy the freaking hard drive enclosure and screw up the screws, and it's the same thing they would do, just take longer and take more money, you know, send it out. I don't want to send it anywhere. It's not that hard, you know. So yeah, there you go.